beautiful long signal showed up today, guys, at 9 a.m. this morning on the master indicator, allowing me to nail a pretty sweet trade. I'm telling you, man, you cannot short this market. It's way too strong. Matter of fact, let me show you the overnight session, okay? Before I show you my trades, let me show you the overnight session. Look at this thing right here. Doesn't this blow your mind that at 2:45 a.m. this morning, the volume indicator shifted from red into green right on this bar? But it didn't just go up a handful of bars. This thing surged for like 200 ticks overnight. You know what I'm saying? And when you see something like that, like at least for me personally, okay, I would be scared to death to take out any short trades. Like short sellers have just been getting smoked, whereas traders who simply follow the trend have been handsomely rewarded. Like this is the truth, okay? Anyway, guys, let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. Today is Thursday, March 7th. Quick time and temperature check. It is currently a little bit after 10 o'clock in the morning. I just closed out this profitable trade here about, I think, 20, maybe 30 minutes ago, and I wanted to knock out this video. I'm probably going to post this video when I come back from lunch. I got some other meetings I got to attend to, but I think you're going to get a lot of value from this video, folks, because in this video, I want to show you something new. All right. I've discovered a really interesting, what I call power setup. And to show you this example, I'm going to show it to you on oil futures, which I do not trade. But this is a symbol that is trending hard each and every day. Like you can see this thing, like, just established such a beautiful uptrend. And so what I want to do today is, after we take a look at my live trades, I want to come back and show you this power setup. Like, for those of you that have the vol, I think you're going to find the explanation behind this long signal right here very interesting, okay? But for now, let me get you dialed into all of my live trades today, folks. Let me get you really dialed in here, all right? All you guys that do currently have the vol master indicator, you should have seen the trend change show up right there, okay? And very shortly, right after that, maybe 6 or 7 minutes later, you guys should have also seen 2 retracements show up. Now, as you guys know, retracement trades and retracement setups are the most powerful setups you will ever see in your trading career. When you see retracements show up, you should just pounce on it. Now, take a look at my entries here. You can see I took 2 entries today. That first retracement was definitely 100% a loser, all right? Counting that as a 1-bar loser, but take a look at the second entry, okay? I had to take it. I mean, I just have to take every retracement. That is how my mind has been conditioned and programmed, okay? And so on each and every trade, folks, I try to look for 1-to-1 risk reward in order to reduce my risk. You understand? Like you can see right here, folks, there's my 1-to-1 exit on the first half of my trade today. Makes sense? And so when that happens, man, I'm very mechanical with my trade management, okay? The stop loss that was originally down here, which is 1 or 2 ticks underneath the retracement candle, I immediately move it to the entry, which allows me to lock in profits. And I cannot tell you how important this step is. I feel that a lot of you guys still aren't doing that, and you're letting profitable trades turn into losing trades. And that's just not good for your trading psychology or your trading account. You have to and you must find ways to reduce risk. Why? Because when you catch a nice money bag winner, like check this one out. This was for me, I think 3-to-1 risk reward today. You can use the power of the trend to bag really nice profits. And I firmly believe that anybody can master this system. Like, tell me what you thought was confusing or complicated about anything that I explained to you here, right? Nothing. All we do is wait for the trend to start. We then look for a pullback, and then we pounce. Okay, you guys have got to get mechanical at your way of thinking when it comes to trading and speculating in the market. Now, moment of truth, man, let me show you a really interesting trading setup that I've recently discovered. It doesn't show up a lot of the times. You might only see this once or twice a week, But that's actually why I like this setup. Now take a look at this signal right here, folks. All right. By the way, for those of you following at home, this happens to be a T-bar speed of 10 on oil, so feel free to pull that chart up, those of you guys that have the vol, and try to follow along. Because I'd love to have you back test this idea and you tell me how you like this setup, okay? And there's really not much to it, man. There's only two criteria to this, what I call power setup. Number one, the vol changes color. All right, you can see here we go from red to green, but it also changes color on a green reversal candle that also happens to be a retracement candle. You understand? Like, this is the perfect trifecta where everything lines up, and this particular setup might actually be more powerful than normal retracements, right? Like, take a look at this move, man. 150 ticks on oil just straight up. Okay, now like I said, I do not trade oil. I wish I did today, but I do know that a lot of my customers and clients love trading energies and commodities, and you better believe that these markets trend really nicely, just as much as the indices do. And frankly speaking, it's not a bad idea to diversify your trading symbols and maybe take a look at other markets that seem to be extremely profitable. Okay, and oil is definitely at the top of the list. Matter of fact, I'm going to start maybe trading some micros on oil just to get a feel for what it's like to trade energies and commodities. But for now, big shout out and congratulations to all of my vol customers and clients who did spot this beautiful setup this morning, and you pounced on it, you managed your risk, you hung in there for a really nice trade. I think the month of March is going to be epic. There's going to be so many opportunities to catch some huge winners. I'm telling you folks, this market is a day trader's dream. If you're sitting on the sidelines, it's time to get off the sidelines and get involved. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.